This is Darlene of Darlene's Junk Journals and More, and this is my May Make a Kit, Make a Journal. This is the second journal that I've made for this month's challenge, and this is the smaller version, and this is an altered book. It is, this is the spine, this is the cover. It is, I did a cover patch, and then I did some added elements to it. I added the ribbon, and I added some more bling and some flowers and pearls to them. Inside the cover, I have one of my 15 individual elements, this envelope that I wanted to add. And I added some cards in here that just little journal cards. This is one of the required elements. It is the trifold, I believe. So long since I worked on this project, I forget which elements I'm looking at. It's got the guest check and a little fold out place to journal. It's got two flinch cards. This is an actual tuck spot there when it's closed. This is a tuck spot here that's hidden, and this is a little tuck spot behind there and also under here, and this closes like that. On this page we have another one of the cover patches, and it's made into a corner tuck, and another one of the guest check elements from the this was from the mini challenge. I just realized I did that whole thing twice and went looking for them, couldn't find them, did it again, and they must have been in my album the whole time. Okay, so this is a belly band with a flip out, and this is the a journaling card in it, but this belly band actually flips out as well. So this side's in here. The belly band, I've been doing these, made a few of them over the last little while. It flips out like this to reveal hidden journaling space. I really like using those. I think her name is Terry or Tara Woods that I first seen do that. I really like her. Anyway, that goes back in there. There we go. Okay, and these little fairies are from the Graphics Fairy. This is just another little, this paper's from the, I think it's the flea market, excuse me. It's the same kit that Julie was using for her scrapbook paper. There again. These are just different elements that were required. I still got to do the photography for this one. Okay, so this is the trifold. And it's got a flip up with stacking out, or maybe this is flip up, flip down. I'll have to look and see which is which here. That's what happens when you leave a project for a while and forget what you did. Okay, anyway, we will move on. I'll have to look back on my notes. This is a little pocket with I added lace, and this is a napkin. This is one of my journaling cards with added writing space. It flips open. One of my elements, little matchbook. This is my flip, one of the flip pages, I believe. Okay, and this is flip up, flip down. That one I recognize. Pretty self-explanatory, that one. Okay. This is something. Okay, this is just a little page with the card. It's got another little there. This little journaling space here. Lots of little space. Oh, this is the fabric pocket and fabric flip with the stacking out. So those are pretty self-explanatory with the medallion and added bling. And as I say, this is an altered book, so some of these pages have extra pockets. Okay, this is the flip-flop page. And it's held in there like this. This is from the Graphics Fairy. There's just one page I used from there. And this is, yeah, there is an insert there. So it's just a little writing insert. I hope this is all in frame. My husband set it up, but that doesn't mean the camera stayed in frame from what he's seen when we first started looking, because sometimes it zooms in when it actually starts filming, and we don't know that till we start looking at the edited video. And another little card. This is the waterfall. I did it over 2 pages. The waterfall pockets. Okay, and this was one of my elements that I got from all about the base, and I just added it in here as a pocket. This is the I can't remember which one this is. The side border tuck with journaling space. So it's just the little flip up journaling space there. And this is another one of the little cards. And some more writing space. I used Dear Julie's Pink Ephemera, Pink Harmony, the Roses kit. I used some of the new kit that we were given for the last VIP, which is the bases All About the Bases base kit, and there's a couple other kits that I used a couple pieces from as well. So there's a lot of different Dear Julie's kits in here. Because I discovered I had a whole bunch of printables, and I had to go with what I had already printed because I was waiting for ink again. So that was my situation. Okay, so this is digital from Graphics Fairy again. It is from the butterfly, something butterflies, I forget what it's called. Anyway, that was a last minute edition. This is another, that is the third yes, check. Okay, now this is another one of these, but this one folds out different. This one folds like this, and it folds like this, and down like this. And okay, so it's got a pocket here in the front, which is the matchbook. And it has that pocket there, which holds those. And then on this side we have, this one is glued, and it has the two pockets, and this is on the back cover. So that is my submission for that, for my take 2. Now, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that you will watch my videos, and if you like them and you like what I do and you want to see more of what I do, or you want to see a tutorial on how I did something, if it's not too long, I can probably do that. I do have problems with my voice sometimes, and I have problems with train of thought and speaking sometimes because of some of the medications I have to be on with my fibromyalgia and other conditions that I have. But if I can help you in any way, don't hesitate to ask. And so I will say that that's for this video, and thank you to all my subscribers and new subscribers, and I hope that you are watching the 7 days of summer challenge that's going on right now, and that you're joining us for that, and that you're getting ready for the June Just Junk challenge. Julie's told us ahead of time that we have to get our junk ready, so get the junk ready for that. And so anyway, I will cut this video now, and then I'm going to show you the other video that a video of the other book that I did first. It is a big journal. I did it thinking that that's how many pages we needed in the book, because I had misunderstood what we were to do. So I will do that one, and I will upload it as well. Bye now.